Yibnei HaMikdash, Hirtzio ente malai, Okor les ozman.
Welcome to our channel. If this is the first time visiting our channel, please consider subscribing. We have a goal of reaching 100,000 subscribers this year. Every Thursday we release a teaching from the Holy Rebbe Levi Yitzhak of Berdyshiv from his famous Hasidic volume Kedushas Levi. In this week's video, Rabbi Kolakowski, affectionately known as the Koblenzer Rebbe, will present a teaching about how we can know if God is really happy with our worship of Him. The answer may surprise you. Let's watch.
All right, Bruchim Abayim, welcome everyone. As we release this, it will be Thursday, and every Thursday we try our best to learn something from the Heilige Rebbe Levi Yitzchak and Source Osher Ben Berditchev, Schus Yigel and Equals Lomain, and the Heilige Sefer Kedushas Levi. We are up to Parshas Mishpatim, and in the book of Exodus, chapter 24, verse 17, it says, Amarik for Hashem Keishai Chelis, that the appearance of the glory of the Lord was like a consuming fire. The Heilige Kedushas Levi makes a homily on this. So when a person in his worship to the blessed Lord, his devotion of studying Torah and performing mitzvos, performing commandments, brings a tremendous amount of pleasure in up above in heaven. But if a person wants to know if the blessed Lord actually has pleasure from his worship, the test for this is like this. If a person sees that his heart is on fire with enthusiasm, burning fire constantly to worship God, and he has a desire and a will in the worship of the Creator, then he can be certain that the blessed Lord has pleasure from his worship. And therefore he receives aid, he receives help from heaven. And God sends holy thoughts into the person's heart. And that's what the scripture is saying here, that the appearance of the glory of the Lord, that the sign, if a person wants to know if he's seeing the glory of the Lord, and so to speak, that the divine may be blessed, has pleasure from his worship. That's when he says that it's like a burning fire, a consuming fire. If his heart is on fire, is burning like a fire, and it's consuming one's life, which is a good thing for Kalahoven. This is easy to understand. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment, and we'll see you later. All right, how do I turn this?
We hope you enjoyed this content. This channel has over 5,000 videos, including Torah commentary, podcasts, footage of Jewish and historical events, and much more. We are sure you will find more videos you will enjoy. Please like, share, subscribe, hit the bell button, and comment. Rabbi Kolakowski often makes videos based on questions in the comment section. By helping this channel grow, you are helping to spread Torah. God bless.
Yibnei HaMikdash, Hirtzio ente malai.